in the noise monthly siren test. Sirens are about to go off in 1 minute. Oh, it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. There it goes. That thing's loud. Oh, your looter, your looter. The almost put the looters. I was just. Wait, here. You can't hear them. Everywhere. There, you could hear the alert over there. Oh, you can hear them from the middle school too. Oh. You can hear the voice of the Whelans in Harwood Heights. Oh, it turned off. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it should go off in attack now. If I'm right. Or it might have just gone off in a full alert. Yup, it was just a full alert, I think. Cause it's 10:03 right now, and we're about to hear the Whelans probably in Harwood Heights. So I don't know. We just gotta stay here for a minute. So the wheelings should go off any minute now. So they did a full alert for the alerters. You can no longer hear any sirens. But I heard the voice of the wheelings, so there's a pretty high chance. Sometimes they don't, but at least we already heard the siren, the alerters, and the voice of the wheelings, and we might be able to hear the wheelings in alert if we get lucky. Oh, there they go off. They just went off. I wonder what the people think that are like driving on their cars and they're like near the sirens. I wonder what they think it is. Like I wonder if they're like in danger. Like if they think they're in danger or something. You can clearly hear the wheelings. You can hear sirens from far away actually. They're so loud. Just imagine standing right next to one without like the hearing protection. That would be painful. They're over there. So they're gonna stop in about 2 minutes, I think, because they always do full alert. They do like the voice and the alert. Surprisingly, I heard like no T-128s. It's kind of weird. Never mind. I think I hear a T-128 from over there. Yup, that's T-128 from River Forest. What in the world is that sound? It's like a sound. What the heck? Something just flew on top of me. Something just flew on top of me. Alright. Oh, that was a huge bee. Like Bumblebee is one of those. The reason why I didn't post a video about the last siren test, like in July, is because because me and my mom were going to this place. I forgot what it's called. And then what happened is that it was the first Tuesday, right? And then it was 10 a.m. and then the sirens went off. But it's just like there was a lot of noise on the road. You couldn't hear nothing. Yeah, that's definitely T-128 from River Forest. 100%. You can hear from like over to the right of this tree, like over there. Yeah, that's just T-128. Well, actually, no, never mind. That's the AC. The T-128 are like over there. But I did hear the T-128 before. Alright, that's all of the sirens that went off. And see you guys in the next video I post. I don't know when.